Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is thebubsbee, and in today's video I have a hairstyle for you all. A natural hair style perfect for your kids and your younger ones. So let's get started. I do want to thank Treluxe for partnering with me on this video. I will be using dedicated Treluxe products. You can find them on their website. I will link them down below. Her hair has been freshly washed and conditioned, and I did part all of her hair in 3 sections. And I'm starting in the section in the back, and I then parted and divided that hair into 2 sections. Now I'm going to get started on my first braid, but I'm first going to use that Curl Supreme 4-in-1 hydrating cream. I'm going to apply a generous amount to her hair strands because I want this product to really moisturize her hair and lock the moisture in to give her long-lasting shine and moisture. Now it's time to braid. Okay, I'm doing a horizontal braid, and I'm taking 3 sections and I'm braiding and cornrowing her hair. I grab hair as I go, and that's how you create a cornrow. Now what's great about the Curl Supreme is that it's going to give you soft, moisturized, and defined curls. It's going to give you a very soft hold, but it's great at locking in moisture. So you're not going to feel your hair getting dried out within a day or 2. You're going to get long-lasting moisture that's locked in. It has ingredients such as aloe vera. It also can increase curl elasticity, improve hair flexibility, hydrate hair and reduce moisture loss, strengthen hair by stabilizing bonds within the hair's cortex, and it can improve the texture of your hair and create a smooth, polished appearance. So once that first braid is complete, it's time to do the second braid. And I'm currently creating horizontal parts for each section. I added some product, and now I'm going to braid the hair down. I'm making sure to braid the ends firmly and neatly and tightly, and if I need to add more product to the ends, I will do so. And now I'm just going to continue to braid her hair. Off camera, I did the other side identical, and now I'm going to work on this middle section. Now for these parts, I didn't do them horizontal. I kind of created diagonal parts to ensure that each section of each braid was proportional. I want to have the same amount of hair in each braid, but I'm going to use that Curl Supreme and saturate the hair very well, detangle, and then I'm going to cornrow the section. And as you can see, the back sections are complete. And it kind of made a mohawk in the back, which was super cute. Now it's time to take care of that front section. I created a curved part, and now for one side of her head, I'm just going to create mini braids. I'm taking my time to be very neat and precise with my braiding to ensure that I'm not tearing or borrowing any hair and ensuring that the hair is laying flat and smooth. Now I didn't get any footage of braiding the other half of her head. You'll see right here that I'm only showing you guys the end of me braiding her hair upward, but I did create 4 braids in the front, and all her hair is just leaning to one side in the front of her head. And this is the completed look. What did you all think? I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up. I'll make sure to link the products down below. If you want to see more videos like these, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.